Hey everybody, so today we're going to do an unboxing of the GearWrench 84-piece Torx and Bit Master Set, SAE and metric. This is the Warrantied kit. We're going to compare the Warrantied kit with the kit I bought at Tractor Supply. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright, so let's get this one open. This is 84-piece quarter 3/8 half-inch gear wrench, part number 80742. 84-piece master SAE and metric hex and Torx bit socket set. It also comes with e-Torx. I'm not going to give any of the information on the back because I did that on the first two videos. The first 2 or 3 videos. Camera keeps cutting off for some reason. We're going to compare this one to the old one, make sure we got everything. Of course, none of them stayed in their designated spot for some reason. Wish they made these boxes a little better. See. Okay, so here's an E5. So we did get an E5 in this one. There's an E6, E7, and E4. So this set is complete on the smaller ones that I was missing from the first time. I had 2 E6s. I actually have an E5 and an E6 this time. Alright. So we're gonna go over to T8 long, T10, 15, T20, T25, T27, T30, T40, T45, T50, the ball hex. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that's correct. T8, T10, T15, T20, T25, T27, security Torx, T8, T10, T15, T20, T25, T27, T30, short Allen's quarters, 2.5, 3, 4, 5, 6, standard 1/8, 9/64, 5/32, 3/16, 7/32, and 1/4 inch. Okay, those are all correct. None of these look bent. All of these actually look great. Oh, this one's bent. So I'm going to swap this one out from the other set. This one is bent. This one is also bent. Okay, so we're going to look at the Torx 24, 22, 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, and 10, so those are all there. T30, T40, T45. The T45 is also bent. The T50 is also bent. T55. Security Torx T40, T45, T50, T55, Allen's or Hex 6, 7. This one's also bent, it's wobbling. 8. Yeah, I don't get it. Why are they... I'm going to recommend you guys not buy these kits, because this is the second kit that has crooked Allen heads, as well as Torx. This one's crooked as well. Three-quarter, 5/8, 9/16, half, 7/16, 19, 17, 14. So, let me open this one and see if these aren't crooked in here. So, number 10 Allen. It's this guy right here. That one seems to be alright. 12. You can see it's definitely bent. This one. This one's actually straight from the old set. T50. This is not a security. This one's actually straight. T45. This one's also bent. Yeah, I don't know why. It looks like everything's here. I don't understand why they're... Some of them are so messed up. Like this 1/2 inch is crooked as well. What about this one? This one's just as crooked. I'm gonna have to call them again. I'm gonna have to let them know that there's messed up sockets. They could have just sent me the individual sockets. They didn't need to send me a complete set. And I'm not even willing to give these away because half of them are crooked. You know, I'm just gonna leave it at that, guys. Some of them are definitely crooked in the new stuff that they just sent me. Some of them are not. So I'm just gonna call GearWrench, let them know that for whatever reason their sets are not being checked for quality control for whatever reason. If you guys get one of these sets and you have the same problem, either sockets are missing or the bits in the sockets are crooked, please let me know. I'm going to let them know that there's a major problem with their manufacturing on these. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. I appreciate your guys' time. This may not be important to some people that it's slightly crooked, but to me it is. I'm working on vehicles. You know, that slight wobble can cause the Torx headed bolt or the screw, whatever it is I'm working on, to strip because it's not spinning straight. So if you guys have the same problem with kit number 80742, please let me know. I appreciate your guys' time. Thank you for watching. And again, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. And let me know what you guys think down below about this issue. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.